Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm at the Premier Inn in Chichester and I'm going to take you on a tour around the hotel and then our room and show you what you can expect if you're staying here. The hotel is spread over 3 floors with plenty of free parking. It's ideally situated for trips to Goodwood, the Festival Theatre or Chichester Cathedral. It's located on a leisure complex with plenty of places to eat and activities to keep you busy. Reception is available 24 hours a day. You need to enter your car registration into the computer to validate your parking and avoid a fine. There are vending machines with various snacks and drinks in reception. This is a double room with large hypnos bed. There's no smoking or vaping in any of the rooms. All the rooms come with a TV and free basic Wi-Fi, and you can pay to upgrade to ultimate Wi-Fi. There's a full-length open wardrobe with hangers, extra pillows, towels, and they provide a hairdryer on the vanity unit. There are plenty of plug sockets for all your electricals. You have to put your key card into the reader to get power in the room. The rooms have air conditioning and heating that can be adjusted at the touch of a button. The windows have partial opening for safety. You can see the spire of Chichester Cathedral from the hotel. There's a good variety of food in the restaurant and the menu changes seasonally. They provide a tea tray and you can ask for more supplies if you need them at reception. They provide gentle hand soap and hair and body gel. If you would like to be more eco-friendly, you can reuse your towels and place them on the rail, or if you need them replacing, you put them in the bar. Hot food is cooked to order and you can help yourself to the buffet, which includes continental items and tea, coffee and fruit juices. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please give it a like. If you want to see more from me in the future, then click the subscribe button right here. And if you want to see more from me right now, why not watch one of my other videos? And don't forget, if you carry on watching, I'll carry on travelling. Bye.